How can you make your iPhone ready to stream or screen the mirror or screen recording on the Mac laptop or Mac OS in front of you? So simply in simple language, how can you simply screen or mirror screen your iPhone to your Mac? So let's start this video. Firstly, you have to set up the laptop, that is your Apple MacBook. Firstly, you just have to switch on the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi network setting of your laptop. Then after switching on these two things, you have to pick up your mobile phone and open it and swipe the screen like this. Here you simply have to do the same thing as you have done with the laptop. Open your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi. After doing this thing, there is an option of streamcasting just in front of you. As you can see that I have a TV in front of me, so I can connect with it. So whenever you will have a MacBook in the connective area or the connective region, if your Bluetooth is connected with your MacBook, then you will be able to see MacBook in the place of my TV here, and then you can click on that, and yes, you can do this thing on your device and successfully stream on your laptop. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.